So we just find a spot to stand and to shoot this beautiful and a wonderful place in Para in Goa, and that's the Coconut Road. We just ride our bike. Good morning, viewers, and we are all set. Me and Ansu here. Say hi, Ansu.
Hi.
So we are all set. We'll be heading towards some unknown destination. So let's be with us till the end of this vlog, and it will be a surprise vlog for all of you. That where are we going? We also don't know, but definitely it will be an amazing place for you all to see. A beautiful morning in Goa. So let's be in the vlog with us. सो अब अभी हम पारा कोकोनट रोड के रास्ते में हैं, और हम कालांगुट से निकले थे 5 मिनट पहले, और यू कैन सी द रोड हियर. नॉट मेनी पीपल. मॉर्निंग इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. द स्काई इज़ विद सम क्लाउड. इट स्टार्टेड रेनिंग व्हेन वी वर आउट. हम जैसे ही निकले तो बारिश शुरू हो गई थी. नाउ इट्स नाइस, एंड वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द मोस्ट beautiful and most scenic Para road. So we'll be going there and we'll see how it look like. For me also, for the first time I'm going there. So now we are almost here, and it's very quiet, very peaceful here, and surprisingly amazing. So we are just 500 meters away from that road, but the coconut tree and those beautiful line on the side have started. It's amazing. So finally here we are at the very famous Coconut Road in Para, and not just the road is beautiful and amazing, but इधर आसपास के सारे areas भी बहुत सुंदर है, और मौसम is like just amazing, and I will show you while walking this road. So I'm just in between of the road. You can see now both the side coconut trees, right now it's almost 8:45, but the weather is amazing. The trees are on both the sides. and that's simply beautiful. So I hope you are loving this whole footage from here, from this beautiful coconut road in Para. I have seen that virtually, but today I am here and मैं आपको दिखा पा रहा हूँ ये बहुत ही beautiful और वंडरफुल रोड, जो कि मैं भी कई दिनों से सोच रहा था कि खुद आऊँ, सुबह वक्त निकालूँ और आप सबों को दिखाऊँ. Calm and quiet, no traffic, no vehicles, only few scooties and some cars who are moving here and there, but that's amazing. So yeah, so it was as I told you all that ये हमारी long list waiting था इस जगह को दिखाने के लिए आप सबों को. So आज मैंने एक छोटी सी कोशिश करी है, मे बी दूसरे दिन किसी दिन और ब्लॉग में मैं अच्छे से कैप्चर करूँ इस पूरे राइड को और कुछ इफेक्ट्स डालूँ. So after spending few minutes, I will not say hours, we will be heading back to Kalangut. We have to do some shopping from there. Everyday routine to buy some milk, oranges and many fruits and all. So हम अभी वापस लौटेंगे. आपको हमने दिखाया यहाँ के बारे में और यहाँ पारा रोड, कोकोनट रोड को मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया. I don't know how you like it. और virtual, I think this will not help you out. ये यहाँ वर्चुअल ट्रिप से काम नहीं चलने वाला है. एक बार गोवा ओपन हो जाए तो आपको इस रोड पे खुद आना पड़ेगा इसके ब्यूटी को देखने के लिए, इसके पीसफुल सराउंडिंग इन्वायरमेंट को देखने के लिए. ये बहुत ही सुंदर है. आई वुड सजेस्ट फॉर इंस्टाग्रामर्स एंड ऑल द फोटोशॉप enthusiasts, it's the best, I would say the best place to click picture here. So and definitely edit those and post those on social media. So please check this out, come here, try some nice shot and please share those and if you're here for the first time in my blog, please let me know how you like the blog. In this blog I'll be using a little more editing tricks and few more different kind of shots. Let's check that out in my blog and comment, and please like, if you like the video, press like button, subscribe the channel. And I told you, if you're here for the first time, don't go without subscribing the channel. Ansu, how you like this coconut road? कैसा लगा तुमको?
अच्छा लगा.
क्या अच्छा लगा?
यहाँ इतना अच्छा कोकोनट के पेड़ हैं.
हाँ. और यहाँ पे
हरियाली है.
माउंटेन्स.
माउंटेन्स.
Those mountains.
वही झरने हैं.
beautiful this is indeed. While returning back, I stopped one more time to show you this one, and the mountain on the sides there, everywhere, the paddy field. It's beautiful.